What if I told you that the most powerful computers of tomorrow are being built by arranging atoms one at a time? That's the key to quantum computing. It isn't just physics or software, but the ability to literally grab individual atoms and put them exactly where we want them. Today, we are diving into the invisible world where nanotechnology meets quantum computing, a revolution happening at a scale 80,000 times smaller than the width of the human hair. Classical computers use bits. Think of them as tiny switches that are either on or off. But quantum computers use quantum bits or qubits that can be both on or off simultaneously. Here is the catch. This quantum magic only works at the nanoscale. At everyday size, quantum effects get taken over by the noise of regular world. It's like trying to hear a whisper during a rock concert, but when shrink down to nanoscale or just a size of few atoms, then that whisper becomes crystal clear. So now question comes, how to build something smaller than a virus? This is where nanotechnology enters into the scene, a toolkit for working at the atomic scale. Nanotechnology is one of the enabling technology for building and manipulating quantum systems at the scale where quantum effects dominate. Nanotechnology provides tools to fabricate qubits at the nanoscale where quantum properties emerge. As a nanotech toolkit, at first we have electron beam lithography. Instead of carving with chisel, scientists use beam of electrons to etch patterns just a few atoms wide. It's like having a pencil that can draw lines thinner than a DNA. Then there is the atomic force microscope, essentially the world's smallest tweezer. Scientists can literally grab individual atoms and move them around like building blocks. All of this happens in ultra clean environments where even a single speck of dust would be like dropping a boulder on a delicate watch mechanism. Here, nanotechnology comes into action for building actual quantum computers, which we will discuss in another video. So, the quantum computers are built in the world beneath nanotechnology. Have you any questions about this invisible revolution? Drop them in the comment below. Please like the video and subscribe Phizifer on YouTube. Thank you for watching.